Hey everybody, thought I'd put together another video for you. I wanted to show you a simple stamping card. Now this is actually something I saw online that another demonstrator had posted. I've tweaked it a little bit, but I thought it was a nice kind of base for a simple stamping card. Okay, so for this card I'm going to be using Stampin' Up's Come Sail Away Designer Series paper. So this is lots of different patterns in it. So this is one side. I love the little lighthouses. And then here's the other side, the other patterns in it. As well as the patterns we're going to be using. I don't have those in here right now. It's a really nice nautical set. And then it has some other kind of cool patterns in it as well, like the newsprint ones and stuff. I've used a lot of this paper so far, and it's only been out like a month. Okay, so I'm going to start with some Night of Navy cardstock. So this sheet has been cut to 4 1/4 by 11, and we're going to fold it in half to make our card base. Okay. And my bone folder has run off on me, so using my finger for that. Alright, so there's our card base. And then I have cut some of this lovely paper. I'll show you this pattern a little bit bigger, the compasses. So this is actually part of a whole suite that we have. So we're going to use this side for this card. So I've cut this to 4 by 5 1/4 so that it will kind of fit on our card base. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on here, my snail. Try and get it centered. Okay, so there's our card base. Then I have cut 2 other sheets of paper. So this is going to be a piece that we're going to stamp on. And then this is kind of going to be our background for it. So this one I believe I cut to 2 by 2 inches by 2.5 inches. And this one is cut to 2.5 by 3 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Sailing Home stamp set and stamp our sailboat. So this is a cling stamp set, which means these are super tacky, and they will stick to your blocks and not fall off. Okay, so stick that on there. And I'm going to use Night of Navy. Hopefully I don't need to do a refill because I've been using a lot of this ink. I'm just going to get it really, really inky here. And stamp my sailboat. You guys can see that. I'm going to stamp it just slightly off center. So there's my sailboat. My ink pad's a little bit dry, so it's a little bit lighter than it could be, but that's fine. Still quite lovely. Okay, and I'm going to now stick my sailboat to my background. And again, this, did I show you guys this sheet? It's this lovely striped sheet. And then it has the lighthouses on the back. Okay. I'm just going to center it on here. You can see that. There's that. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick that on here with my sentiment. So this is the piece that I die cut. You can also just use a plain rectangular piece, but I wanted to die cut mine. So if you are going to die cut it, I suggest that you stamp it first and then die cut. That's normally easier, but if you're coming to my class, I'm going to have them die cut for you. and some extras, so if you mess up, no big deal. And we're going to do like, and stamp on there. So again, we're going to use Night of Navy, and we're going to use the stamp set here. So Set Sail in the Direction of Your Dreams. I thought that was perfect for this paper and the stamp that we chose. So again, I'm going to use the Night of Navy. Try and get really inky here. Refill this pad. Okay, that's good. All right. I'm just going to try and center it in here. You might see my head because I want to make sure I have this lined up right. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to put these on the cards, and that's it. Super simple card. Stick this one on here, like that, and then I'm going to stick this on here, like that. And what you can do, if you want to kind of just give it a little more dimension, is to use dimensionals to stick it up. I'm just looking to see if I have. That's fine, I'm going to use these ones. So these are our, and this will just pop it up a little bit and give your card some and I'm going to stick this on here like that. Might not be quite straight, but that's okay. Alright, so there you go. There is a super simple stamping card. If you want to, you can add some white, just a like white printer paper on the inside, cut to 4 by 5 1/4, to line it with, so you have something to write on, or you can write on it first and then adhere it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.